Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making the sandwich cookies or cream biscuits. This delicious chocolate cookies with cream cheese filling inside. Let's see how to do it. First let's make the chocolate cookies. So blend some room temperature butter in a large bowl. When the butter turns slightly fluffy, add some brown sugar into it and blend it again. When the butter and sugar is nicely combined, let's start adding the dry ingredients. So sift in all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. Sift it and add it into the butter and sugar mix. Combine the flour using your hands and make it into the chocolate cookie dough. Keep it refrigerated for some time so that it will be easy for rolling. Now take small portions of the dough, place it on a parchment paper and start rolling it. Roll this dough into a really thin sheet so that you will get thin cookies while baking. Now using a cookie cutter, shape the cookies. And after that you can again refrigerate the dough so that it will be easy to take out the cutout cookies from it. Now transfer these cutout cookies into a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes and then allow it to cool down completely. Meanwhile, let's make the cream filling for the chocolate cookies. So into a bowl, add some room temperature butter and room temperature cream cheese. Blend it really well. When it becomes really creamy, add some powdered sugar and blend that again. Now the cream is ready. If you want, you can refrigerate this for some time so that it will become slightly stiff. It will be easy for piping. Transfer this cream into a piping bag. Now the cookies and cream is ready for assembling. So take some of the chocolate cookies which is cooled down completely, add the cream on top. And sandwich this with another chocolate cookie. After making all the sandwich cookies, you can refrigerate that for some time so the cream will become slightly stiff and both the cookies will glue together. And the cream biscuits will become really tasty. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.